Thank you all for joining us tonight on Set Free 13, where inspiration lives. I am your host, Rochelle, and joining me on the line right now is a woman who was a part of a fabulous group of sisters. You may have heard her voice or seen her face as backup and assistant for her sister, Toni Braxton. She is also on the hit WeTV reality program, The Braxton Family Values, where she joins her sisters as they deal with fame, life, and just a little bit of drama. Now, many people see her as a Braxton sister, but today she stands on her own 2 feet as a mother, singer, and actress. Set free, please welcome Tawanda Braxton. How are you, Tawanda?
Hi!
Now, Tawanda, there are a lot of mothers like myself who are huge fans of yours. Can you talk to us about balancing motherhood and work?
You know what? It is kind of difficult because you kind of have to choose what's more important sometimes. Like, I will absolutely not work on the times that we have graduations for my children, or if they're a pageant, or, something that's that important, I'm not just going to miss for my children. So it is definitely difficult. So I give kudos to all mothers. I tell you, we need a raise.
Right. Now, from the outside looking in, we only get a glimpse of what goes on with you and your sisters. How hard is it to work with them with so many different personalities?
Because I've been dealing with them all my life, it's not that hard. I have just learned to ignore the things that doesn't apply to me. And, my theory is if you can't say amen, say ouch.
That's a good one. Now, Tawanda, being in the television spotlight, being 5 African-American women who are role models to some and you guys have taken the reality show world to a new level. What would you tell young women out there of color who struggle with self-esteem issues?
Everybody has something about them that they don't like. Like, I have very large hands and large feet. I wish that, they could do something about shortening my hands and my feet. So you're going to be your worst critic. So, and if you have somebody who's talking bad about you, they're only talking bad about you because they feel bad about themselves. So the females or the people that are out there who have, like, self-esteem issues, I just would have to tell them that they have to love themselves. Find one thing that you like about you and build on that.
Right. Now, we all know that you were the assistant to your sister, Toni Braxton, and there is something actually in the works that you have put together called the Secret Squirrel. It provides training to people who want to work as a professional assistant. Can you talk to us about that a little bit?
I can. I'm so excited about this because there's so many people out there who really need some well-qualified and taught assistants. Because, believe it or not, people don't get that being an assistant is a 24-hour job. And you almost have to be that person's second brain. Like, Toni was right when she said you have to be practically psychic when you're working with someone. And then the personalities have to mesh. And then you have to understand that you have to really be the keeper of all secrets when you're working with someone. So I am so excited about getting it all together and up and running. We're looking at June, the second week in June, to actually start the classes. And we're going to have an open call. We're only starting here in Atlanta first. And then, of course, we're going to go abroad to New York and D.C., where Tracy is, at DMV area, in L.A. and Miami, because, like, in Atlanta, we are like the mecca of movies and sitcoms right now. We're right underneath L.A. So there's so many production companies who may need personal assistants. There are a lot of executives that may be looking for professional personal assistants, might I add, or executive assistants. And I am the go-to person who's going to be able to help them and kind of rear them to be the perfect assistant that they possibly know how to be.
Now, besides the Secret Squirrel that you're working on, what other projects do you have coming?
I met with a few people for acting. As I stated before, there's some sitcoms here in Atlanta, and I don't want to jinx it, so I don't want to talk about it just in case I don't get it. But I have been meeting up with a lot of people, and I'm just keeping my fingers crossed because I'm excited because acting is definitely my first love.
Now, are you on Facebook? I know I've seen you on Facebook. Are you also on Twitter?
I am a Twitterholic. I think all of us have become Twitterholics.
Yeah.
We were in Twitter jail for a minute because we were being bad. But I love Twitter. I like to tweet with my fans, and I call them Twamly, my Twamly.
Mm-hmm. So you're one of the celebrities who actually interact back with the fans.
Oh, absolutely. You know, and there are some people, you know, who may use their personal assistants, and their personal assistants may get them into trouble because that's not them really talking. How can you really talk to somebody that you can't, you can't really do it, not constantly, not talking to your fans. You just can't, because you may come across someone that celebrity may know. So how are you going to address it? And then people think you're being shady. There's no need for that. I think you should just take 5 minutes. A celebrity should take at least 5 to 10 minutes out of their day to talk to their fans.
Right. Now, can we look forward to a new season of the Braxton Family Values? Are you guys in the process of that right now?
Well, you know, because WeTV follows everything that we say and do, and I'm not at liberty to say anything, and I'm not an executive producer, so I can't talk about nothing, unfortunately. But just be on the lookout.
Okay, we'll go with that. Tawanda, we'd like to thank you so much for being a part of Set Free 1-3. Anytime you want to come on the show and chop it up with us, please feel free to do so.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. That was fun. Thanks.
Everybody, that is Tawanda Braxton. We'd like for you guys to stick around. We have lots. We have some good stuff for you tonight, so don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.